Hi guys, I'm Kaushik. In this video, I'm going to explain about the DBMS lab exercise that I have completed. Now let's see about the first exercise 1B. The aim of this exercise is to execute DML, DCL and TCL commands to manipulate data, control user permissions and manage transactions in the database. In the first query, I inserted a new record into the user table using the insert into statement. The insert command is used to add new records into a table. I specify the columns such as user ID, name, email, password, and phone number, and inserted the corresponding values for the user. In the second query, I updated the email address of the user whose user ID is 123. I used the update statement with the set clause and applied a where condition. The update command is used to modify existing data in a table, and the set keyword is used to assign new values to a column. In the third query, I deleted a user whose email address is example@example.com. I used the delete statement with the where class. The delete command is used to remove records from a table, and the where class helps to identify which record should be deleted. In the fourth query, I inserted a new record into the event table using the insert into statement. The event details such as event ID, event name, date, time, venue ID, and description were inserted into the table. The insert command helps to store new data in a database table. In the fifth query, I updated the description of the event whose event ID is 456. I used the update command with the where condition so that only specific statement record was modified. The update keyword helps to change existing values in the table. In the sixth query, I granted the select permission on the user table to the user named John. I used the grant command. The grant command is used to give access privileges to database users. In this case, John is allowed to view data from the user table. In the seventh query, I revoked the insert privilege on the event table from the user named Mary. The revoke command is used to remove permissions previously given to a user. After executing this query, Mary cannot insert records into the event table. In the eighth query, I granted all privileges on the ticket table to the user named Jane. This means Jane can perform operations such as select, insert, update, and delete on the ticket table. The all privileges keyword allows the user to perform all types of operations in the table. In the ninth query, I granted update permission to the user Jane on the ticket table. This allows Jane to modify records in the ticket table. In the 10th query, I performed an update operation on the ticket table. This modifies certain values such as ticket price or ticket status. The update command is used to change existing values in the database table. In the 11th query, I demonstrated a transaction operation. First, I started a transaction and performed an update operation on the ticket table. Then I used commit command. The commit command is used to permanently save the changes made in the transaction. In the 12th query, I demonstrated rollback command. After performing some updates, I rolled back the changes to a previously created save point. The rollback command is used to undo changes made in the transaction. The 13th query, I created a save point with the transaction. The save point command is used to set a point in a transaction so that the database can roll back to the point if needed. In the 14th query, I used the truncate command on the event table. The truncate command is used to remove all rows from the table quickly while keeping the table structure. After executing this query, all records in the event table were removed. In the 15th query, I used the drop command to delete the ticket table. The drop command is used to remove the entire table structure along with all its data from the database. Thank you.